Hey there, art enthusiasts and architecture aficionados. Today, we are diving into the captivating world of Do Ho Suh and his extraordinary fabric houses. But this isn't just about pretty installations. It's a journey into the heart of what architecture means in a world that's constantly on the move. Imagine walking into a space that feels like a memory, a place where the boundaries between reality and imagination blur. That's the essence of Do Ho Suh's work. He takes us on a trip down memory lane, reconstructing the spaces he's inhabited, from Seoul to New York and London, using translucent polyester stretched over delicate steel frames. Every detail, from door handles to light switches, is meticulously recreated, yet these houses feel like they are made of air, like they are memories suspended in time. What makes Suh's work so intriguing is its ability to challenge our notion of home. For most of architectural history, permanence has been the gold standard. Buildings were meant to outlast their occupants, but Suh's houses defy this norm. They are portable, foldable, and rebuildable, yet they exude a sense of continuity rather than temporariness. It's as if he's saying, "Hey, architecture, you don't always have to be monumental and unchanging." Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Suh takes us back to the roots of architecture, to a time when buildings were more like textiles. According to theorist Gottfried Semper, architecture began with woven surfaces, creating enclosures. Suh brings this idea to life, making his buildings behave more like skins than structures. It's a radical shift in perspective. Fabric, in Suh's hands, transforms architecture into an atmosphere. Walls become permeable, revealing interiors and overlapping rooms visually. It's as if he's saying, "Hey, architecture, you don't have to be so solid and imposing. You can be light and airy, a part of the environment, not a barrier." But it's not just about the visual impact. Suh's work is deeply autobiographical, yet it resonates with anyone who's ever moved. It's about the little details we remember, the worn staircase, the light through a particular window, the doorway we've crossed countless times. These are the elements that Suh captures, reminding us that home is not just a physical space, but a collection of routines, places, and people. It's a moving target, shaped by our experiences and memories. As our lives become more transient, with people moving between cities and countries, the idea of home evolves. It's no longer tied to a single address, but to a web of connections and routines. And that's what Suh's work captures so beautifully. It's a reminder that home is not left behind, but carried with us, in the gestures and rhythms of our daily lives. So, there you have it, folks. Do Ho Suh's fabric houses are not just stunning installations. They are a thought-provoking exploration of what it means to inhabit a space in a world that's constantly in motion. I hope this journey through Suh's work has inspired you to think differently about architecture and home. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep your eyes open for the extraordinary in the everyday.